Video, I'm going to teach you how to add picture gallery to Weebly website. Let's start inside your Weebly account. From your dashboard, open the site you want to work on and click Edit Site. This takes you into the Weebly editor, where you can build and arrange content visually without touching any code. At the top of the editor, click the Build tab. This is your toolbox. You'll see a list of elements you can add to the page: text, images, buttons, and the one we want today, gallery. Weebly is drag and drop, so you don't have to worry about exact positioning yet. You can always fine-tune it once the gallery is placed. Find the gallery element in the sidebar, then click and drag it onto the section of the page where you want your images to appear. Drop it when you see the blue placement line. Weebly will insert a placeholder gallery so you can immediately start customizing. Click the new gallery box and choose Upload Images. A file picker will open so you can select photos from your computer. You can choose multiple images at once to save time. If it's easier, you can also drag images straight from your desktop into the gallery box, and Weebly will begin uploading them automatically. For best results, use clear, well-lit images that are consistently oriented. Keeping file sizes reasonable helps your pages load quickly while still looking sharp. Once your images are in, click the gallery again to open its settings. Here, you can adjust the number of columns to control how many images appear in each row. Fewer columns make images larger and more prominent. More columns fit more photos on screen at once. Tweak the spacing to give each image some breathing room, especially if your theme has a compact layout. You can also add or remove borders to match your site's style. These small adjustments go a long way in making your gallery feel polished and cohesive with the rest of your design. Take a moment to scan the page and make sure the gallery looks balanced with your headings and text. Consistent aspect ratios across images tend to produce cleaner rows, and mixing a few vertical and horizontal shots can add variety if your design calls for it. When everything looks the way you want, click Publish. Weebly will push your changes live, and your visitors will now see the gallery on your site. That's it, a fast, clean way to showcase your photos, products, or portfolio.